Guys, I'm sorry, I just had to upload another video. Look at this. I can't wait till I get like the software and stuff and I can control all the fan effects, but just look at this. Oh my god. You got the RGB RAM. I have an RGB like water block header coming soon. Motherboard's RGB. Oh my god. I'm going to turn the light on just to show you the cable management I still need to work on. Yeah, sorry guys, I just had to upload another video. It looks so amazing. See, it's still a lot of work, but I just wanted to show you guys how cool it looks at night. I just turn off all the lights just to see. It's crazy. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.